Hi there, I'm Jules from thestonesoup.com and today I've got another fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipe for you. Okay, so for our Chipotle, lemon Chipotle chili chicken, I actually have one giant zucchini from my garden that I've cut up into chunks about half an inch thick. So that would be about 4 medium normal zucchinis, so about 800 grams. And then I've actually got 8 chicken drumsticks because that's how many came in my packet, but I'd normally only use 6. And unfortunately, some of them are really large and some of them are really small, so it's a bit annoying. But anyway, then we've got our marinade here. So that's just 100 grams, so 3.5 ounces of Chipotle chilies in adobo sauce that have been chopped up a bit roughly. And then 50 grams of, I've used apple cider vinegar because I couldn't be bothered squeezing limes today, but lime juice is good too. Half a teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and then we're just going to give it a stir. I'm going to pour the marinade over the chicken, and I'm not going to worry that I've got a couple of extra pieces of chicken here. I'll just cook them now. That'll be fine. And I'm just going to want to give everything a toss. I like to line my tray with baking paper just to make it easier to clean up later. But you don't have to. Just want to kind of toss it, and you get your fingers in there to coat. And just make sure that the chicken's sitting directly on the tray rather than sitting on any pieces of zucchini, because it'll cook quicker if it's in direct contact with the tray. Great, so now I've got my oven on super hot, so 250C, which is 480F. Great, so our chicken's had 15 minutes in our really hot oven, so I'm just going to turn the chicken. If you want, it's nice to baste some of the sauce, but that can be a bit of a hassle, so no need to worry about this. Again, making sure that all the chicken's touching the tray so it gets the heat transfer from the bottom as well, rather than being insulated by a zucchini. Great, so we're going to get that back in. The little ones should be done in another 10 minutes, but the bigger ones might take longer. Okay, so the chicken's been in the oven for 25 minutes all up, so 15 and then 10. And with drumsticks, you can see these little ones are starting to come away, the meat's coming away at the bone. So I think those little ones are done. But if you're not sure, you can cut into them, or so I'm actually going to pop them back in the oven for these bigger ones because they look like they need a bit longer. But yeah, if you're not sure, just cut into it and see, and if there's any pink bits there, you'll know. But I'm going to get these little ones out, and if the meat's coming away from the bone, definitely know that they're done. And then I'm just going to serve them with some mint leaves, or you could use, basil, coriander, whatever fresh kind of leaves you've got to make it look a bit pretty and green, and then some cashews, roast cashews, to make it more substantial. But again, any nut's going to be good there. So if you enjoyed this recipe, come on over to my blog. It's thestonesoup.com, and you can download a free ebook filled with simple recipes just like this one.